and work which are constantly effort and hard work. Now class, the children are here to perform a small skit on success. Thank you.
उसके अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में पाए बनने दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे डर से मसना होंगे हम रहने की है टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है
Each time you succeed.
Good morning, Mama. Good morning, dear. Have you slept well? Yes, Mama. Do you know I had a dream today? Oh really? What dream was it? I have dreamt of my favorite sports person is Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh great! One day you will also experience this day, but you have to follow a path that leads to success. Mama, I didn't get you. What is the success mantra behind every successful person? Son, do you really want to know? Yes, Mama. Let me show you the way to success. Are you ready to know? Yes, Mama. I'm ready to walk. The first stands for most steps toward
With ambition, I'll your first step to success. I'll make you move toward a world where expectations are not set up the stereotype.
Dedication. It's on your dedication towards your passion that will distinguish you as a champion from crowd. Dedication always takes you ahead.
I'm the best to achieve any goal. Sure, beta.
Hi, I'm hard work. Don't be afraid of hard work. It's your hard work that will pay off. There is no other substitute of hard work.
Mama, really this is...
Success is determined by our daily choices and habits. Hello, I am good habits. If you want to change the world, you need to start cultivating good habits. And confidence. Confidence is an attitude about your skills and abilities. It means you accept and trust yourself and have a sense of control in your life. You know your strengths and weakness well and have a positive view.
Hello, I am sacrifice. I may sound harsh to you, but if you can't sacrifice for your dream, then darling, it's not your dream. Great achievement always requires great sacrifice.
Failure and success are opposite to each other and play an important part of life. So your next step, which sounds bad but plays an important role.
I am failure. I know I am sounding bad to you, but in reality, failure is not the opposite of success, but a part of success. Every failure teaches you something. Winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit.
Okay, son.
Hello, finally reached to me. I am your success. Remember, success is not accident. It is your hard work, learning, perseverance, sacrifice, and much more. Most importantly, your love or what you do or learning to do.
To success. Yes, dear, life is not that easy. But one thing more you have to keep in your mind. What is that, Mama? To get success is somewhat easy, but to maintain the success is more difficult.
मांगने वाली चीज नहीं है मौका उसका जिसने